Hello and welcome to another section, TensorFlow 2.0 for deep learning. In this video, we will learn about the benefits and new features in TensorFlow 2.0. So let's get started. TensorFlow 2.0 focuses on simplicity and ease of use. The three major features introduced in TensorFlow 2.0 are eager execution, intuitive higher-level APIs, and flexible model building on any platform. Now let's compare PiTorch with an earlier version of TensorFlow. On the left, we can see a snippet in which we are printing a geometric series using PiTorch. On the right, we are doing the same, but we are using an earlier version of TensorFlow. On the left side, the PiTorch code is more precise and easy to understand, but on the right side, the TensorFlow code is a bit harder to understand. The first phase is the construction phase, and the next one is the execution phase. In the first one, we are initializing the variables, we are defining the operations, and in the next one, we are creating a session and we are running the operations inside the session. So as you can see, the TensorFlow 2.0 code is much better than the previous versions of TensorFlow. It's very easy to understand and it's as easy as PiTorch code. TensorFlow 2.0 also comes with a higher level API called Keras. Keras is a higher level API integrated deeply with TensorFlow, and you can access all the functions of Keras by simply importing Keras from TensorFlow. Keras is an open source neural network library written in Python. It can run on the top of TensorFlow, Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit, Theano. Designed to enable fast experimentation with deep neural networks, it focuses on being user-friendly, modular, and extensible. So let's discuss the benefits of Keras. It's user-friendly, modular, easy to extend, and it's for both beginners and experts. Keras is user-friendly. Keras has a simple, consistent interface optimized for common use cases. It provides clear and actionable feedback for user errors and easy to understand error messages, often with helpful advice. Keras is modular and composable. Keras models are made by connecting configurable building blocks together with a few restrictions. Parts of Keras can be reused without having to adopt or even know about everything the framework offers. For instance, you can use layers or optimizers without using a Keras model for training. Keras is easy to extend. You can write custom building blocks to express new ideas for research, including new layers, loss functions, and to develop state-of-the-art ideas. Keras is for beginners and for experts. Deep learning engineers come from many backgrounds and experience levels, and Keras provides helpful APIs whether you are just starting out or whether you have years of experience. So this was it from this video. Let's see what we'll cover in the next one.